A lot of stories that I do are human rights based. And I have a major interest in making news features because that is when you get to report or and put the story into context. A lot of work is being done, but detailed coverage or follow-ups that is ignored. The fellowship, which is the International Women's Media Foundation Elizabeth Snoofer Fellowship, it gives a woman journalist a chance to focus specifically on human rights and social justice as an issue. There are fewer women in the field in Pakistan when it comes to reporting. Challenges are there on a social level, challenges are there in terms of accessing a story because a lot of people are not going to take a woman seriously. The upside of all of this is that there are areas where you would have more access. You see, for a woman, for a man to go and do a maternal health story is not really that regular or not going to be easy. In terms of terrorism, things are just approached as just buzzwords. You see, something that you read or watch on TV, and you're thinking in terms of what the government is doing and what war on terror. But what people do not really understand, and that's where the role of a reporter comes in, is that these are people who are victims of terrorism. Victims and their stories. And we're not even talking about the people who are left behind. Those need to be focused in terms of understanding what any one country or any one society is actually the price that they are paying for, foreign policies and the decisions that are taken by governments and otherwise as well. So I think that's important to it's important to report those stories. There is this compassion that is built as well. I think that's providing information is there, but yes, there is important the kind of work that say Pulitzer Center is doing. So that information is there, but so that people on a broader level can understand what others are suffering. I think the human side of it needs to be kept in mind for anybody, be it the Pakistani press or the international press, because that cannot be ignored. That is the only way to make sure that there is enough compassion in the world and people are not just looking at stereotypes and not just looking at regions or stories in terms of what the governments are saying. And there is an understanding, a human understanding of issues. I think that's more important.